man. I'm washing my bike. This is my first ever video with me talking like this, because I've got a new helmet mic. You know what I'm saying? I've got a new helmet mic, bro. Shit's fire. Well, let me just... Yeah, bro, shit's fire. I'm not even gonna lie. I wonder what it sounds like. This should have been done a long time ago, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I should have got this microphone like fucking ages ago, bro. But I didn't have the money. And now that I do have the money, I bought it. You know what I'm saying? Let me clean the license plate. This bit's probably gonna be blurred. Like blurred the fuck. Because I'm not showing my fucking plate. But yeah. Yeah, boys. Let me know what kind of content you want to see. If you didn't know, I do have an Instagram page. It's going to be on the screen now because I can't be trying to pronounce it. Yeah, I can't even pronounce my own fucking Instagram username. Bro, this bike looks fucking sexy as hell. What have I got? 10 seconds left. Shit. Let me get a quick little rinse. There we go. That's it. Right. Yeah. Let me get this. And now let's clean the bitch. Clean the bitch. Clean this fucking thing first, because I don't want my ass to be wet as fuck. The rest is gonna dry by itself, it don't really matter. But gotta get this shit clean, man. Clean this bitch up. Yeah, it's been raining like a motherfucker recently. So this bike needed a fucking wash. It's probably gonna rain again tomorrow, so don't think there's any point of me really washing my bike, but it gives me something to do and I like taking care of it. So yeah, we're gonna do the body first and then I'm gonna do the rims. The rims I'm gonna do last, because I didn't bring two towels. And yeah, I probably need two towels to fucking wipe all this shit down. But yeah, expect more edits on my Instagram, on YouTube. I'm gonna be doing a lot more edits and a lot more videos, because yeah, I need to get back on the content making. Fucking, this is not gonna dry good, is it? What else do I need to wipe this? Yeah, this is just a little quick rinse. No shampoo, no nothing, just a little quick rinse. Right, the body is basically fully clean now. Yeah, basically it's fully clean. Let me get this, wipe this down, wipe this thing down, wipe this. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably just gonna chuck this here. I'm not carrying this about. It was under my seat, but I don't want to put it under my seat if it's wet. Oh, this dried up nicely. This dried up fucking quick. Damn. I'm hoping this camera's fucking recording. I don't even know, because I've got a new setup. Everything's been changed about, so I'm hoping everything still works the same. There's a bit of soap in there. That's fine. Yeah, I'm hoping every fucking button still works the same, because I've been switching all the shit about. So the inside probably needs a wipe as well. There we go. This is le bike. Le bike. Let me just clean this bit. Oh shit. And the other side. Wow. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. Fake carbon fibre type shit. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, these rims need to be fucking clean, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna need to clean these rims. Fucking hell, I'm gonna need to clean these rims with like a fucking sponge or something, because that's not gonna do it, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we got a new chain. We got a new chain, boys. New chain. New sprocket. There we go. La boom. La boom. Nice and shiny. I'm curious if the fucking inside of it gets wet when I wash it like this. Is this bit wet? Yeah, of course it is. I don't know. I don't think that should cause any problems. It shouldn't do, really. No. Yeah, it shouldn't fucking... Is there a bin here? There should be a bin somewhere around here. Oh, I don't know. Fuck it, I'm just gonna leave it on the side. Maybe next time I come back I might even fucking use the same one. I'm just gonna leave it there. Oh. Leave it there. You know what I'm saying? Right, anyway boys, that's it for this recording. I'm gonna go and record some shots of the actual no, actually I'm not gonna. I need to wait for this bitch to fucking dry before I can make any content with it. Yeah, I'm gonna need to wait till this fucking dries first. I'm gonna go do a lap, even though that's what I've been doing for the past fucking 2 hours. Hey, you get me, Bev? Oh, squeaky fucking... Oh wait, my phone. I need my phone. Anyway, chill out boys.